It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Media. My name is Ravi right here, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to transcribe your audio file to text file, a step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are brand new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell so each time I post valuable content like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So the first thing you want to do is to come to your address bar right here and type in riverside.fm. Press enter. Then the next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here, click on product. From product, you have to navigate to transcribing. Click on that. Then click on transcribe now. Then click on here to upload your file. Then you have to locate your file from your desktop. So here's my audio file. So I'm going to select the file from here and I'll click on open. Now after you upload your file, you have to click on here to determine the language you want to transcribe into. So there are lots of different languages that you can transcribe your audio file into. But this one right here, I want to transcribe my audio to English language. So I will have to come to the top right here and make sure I click on English. Then click on I am a human. Then click on start transcribing. So here's the result right here. So you can click on copy to clipboard, or you come down right here, click on download. Then you can download in different file formats. So you have transcribe, you have caption, which is SRT. So I'm going to click on caption. The caption file has been successfully downloaded. So I'm going to click on here. And here's the caption file. I can come back here and click on download again. Then I can download the transcribe in text. Boom. So let's check it out. So this is the transcribe text in our file folder has been successfully downloaded also. So this is how to transcribe your file from audio file into a text like this, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.